welcome to onlyBBguns review channel. Today we're going to be looking at the HFC HG-203 Assault Eagle, which is a copy of the Mach 11, and it does come with silencer. Let's get it open and have a look. Nicely packaged, reinforced cardboard tray, basic instruction book, plenty of what I like to call Chinglish, mixed between Chinese and English. Tells you what you need to know, how to strip it down and clean it, full exploded view, and a little Allen key on the back here for you. Loading tool. Nah, bad quality BBs, don't use these. I'd recommend using any high polished, high grade BBs from our site, .20s and up, because it's a gas blowback pistol. You've got your 40 round high cap mag. You have your faux silencer that screws onto the front, obviously. And finally we have the Mach 11. Very nice, very straight away solid gun. It's not metal, but it is a solid plastic, and it just looks wow, lovely. It does have, no, that's not the only stock on it. There's a little button under here. Push that and it will extend. So perfect for your CQB, unless they've got the single shot rule. But of course this does have single fire and full auto. So, and so you've got safety under here on the bottom here. Fire, release the bolt. So I'm going to show you how to load up the mag, put the silencer on it, and we're going to give it a little test dry fire. So that's the gun there. First things first, with the magazine. To load this, you've got a spring on the front and a little catch down the bottom. So you pull the spring all the way down and it will lock at the bottom. To load it, you take your loading tool, which will sit over the front like so. And it's literally pour your BBs in there and it fall down. Try and get them double stacked because you get all 40 in that way. Once it's in, leave it stacked. You obviously want to put gas in there before you load it, because obviously to load it gas you've got to turn it the other way up, which I'm going to show you now. Now it takes green gas. Takes green gas. We're using SRC green gas. Now to put the gas in, very simple. You've got the gas valve on the bottom and the valve there. Just sit it on top. Nice solid push down, release, give it a second charge. That's fine. Okay, you have got a purge button on the back here. I've already purged this one. If you just give it a tap, let out a little bit of gas, fill it up, gets the O-rings nice and going. So that's that. Now the silencer is pretty much a barrel extension on it, but it's a nice little additional feature. Now to put this on, it's literally counterclockwise all the way down. Now you do have this swivel sling attachment here, so you can have it as a secondary. That's starting to look like a beast already. Now simply, remember I said, when you've got the magazine full of BBs and you've got that down, you don't want to release that just yet because they will just fly out. Put the magazine in and then there's a little tab on the bottom. Just give that a little touch and then it will push it up. But because I'm going to be dry firing it, I'm going to have the magazine chamber open. Now, simple cock back, and you're ready to go. This is on single fire. And let's try it on full auto. Pretty good gun. Now, I chronoed this earlier and it come in at a whopping 315 FPS on 0.20 gram BBs. Now, it did make a difference with the barrel on there. You took that off, it lost about 20 FPS, but it's just your accuracy. But I mean, if you want to be running around close quarters with that, even with the stock, flipped in, close your stock up, you've got, if you're going to play a bit of quick draw with someone, ideal. It will fit in a holster. But yeah, lovely little gun. We do have other versions of this on our site. As I said, this is from HFC. Lovely clone, lovely build quality, perfect all round.